Thank you for watching another edition of Forked Up Cooking. This episode we're making juicy oven roasted chicken. You can use any combination of chicken parts that you enjoy. So let's get started. In a bowl, you'll want to combine garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, ground mustard, and of course, don't forget the salt. At this point, you're going to want to add lemon juice. That could be either out of a bottle or fresh lemon juice, whatever you have in your house. And use your whisk to combine all of the flavors together and make basically a slurry or a paste out of it. Keep adding more lemon juice until you get the desired consistency to coat all of your chicken parts. Take your bowl with the chicken in it, take your mixture, pour it over the chicken, and take a nice pair of tongs or your hands and make sure to coat all the chicken on all sides, top and bottom. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. While that's warming up, grab your sheet pan and start placing your chicken on that pan and ready to roast in the oven. After about 45 minutes, at internal temperature of 165 degrees and a beautiful dark brown skin, you will have some of the best and juiciest chicken you have ever eaten.